Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Justin with AmericanMuscle.com, and today I'm taking a closer look at a very popular and very affordable tire here on the site, the Atturo AZ850 Ultra High Performance Tire, available in a wide variety of sizes along with 19 and 20 inch diameters, covering multiple vehicles and gens on AmericanMuscle.com. Now, the Atturo AZ850 is going to be a super affordable, high-performance tire with very favorable reviews here on the site that will ultimately prioritize warm, dry traction and handling over cold, wet traction. That's due largely in part to the softer compound, and we'll talk more about that in our construction block. Now, at this time, the tire is available in both 19 and 20 inch diameters, making this tire more appealing to the later generation cars, but of course, will work on earlier generation cars as well if you are running a larger wheel setup. Now, section width will range anywhere from 255 on the narrow side all the way up the line to the beefy 315 on the big end. Now, also worth noting here, guys, that for bigger power cars or applications, Atturo does also offer a drag radial version of the AZ850 here, which would pair nicely with this tire up front, of course, and those DRs in the rear. And if you are interested in running that kind of combination, you can also find the drag radial here at AM. Now, moving into our construction block, and the Atturo AZ850 again is going to be a pretty impressive performance-based tire for owners on a strict budget. Now, Atturo refers to the AZ850 as an ultra high performance tire, but they don't go on to say if it's an ultra high performance all season or summer tire. However, if we were to take a closer look at that soft compound, more specifically the tread wear rating of 320, well, that's going to tell us the tire is definitely going to prefer warmer temperatures as opposed to cold temperatures. Now, the tire does also receive a single A for both traction and temperature, respectively. Now, the tire is asymmetrical here. It is designed for maximizing the contact patch and increasing the traction according to Atturo. Now, your large center rib here is going to add stability to the tire, while the oversized shoulder blocks here will certainly help with things like turn-in and cornering ability. Now, to help with wet weather grip, you see these 4 large channels here. Now, those guys are going to work to deliver relatively solid wet weather grip. Moving into price point, and the Atturos, as I mentioned earlier, guys, definitely a budget-friendly tire. In fact, one of the more affordable options on the site at the time of this video. In fact, you're going to be looking at anywhere from just around $100 or just over $100 from some of your narrower sizing, all the way up to the mid to high 100s for some of the bigger sizing. So wrapping things up here, guys, again, if you are looking for a very budget-friendly, performance-based tire that will definitely shine in the warmer, drier weather, be sure to check out the Atturo AZ850 today, right here at AmericanMuscle.com.